Thank you, Kendall. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, Monroe. Thank you, Springer. You were great. And look.
Hey guys, so it's Wayne again with a brand new hack, okay? Now this one is for a Hoover. This is one of the, the spin scrubs. Now, what's good about this hack is that anyone can do it, okay? Now, this is what happens with these. Eventually, the handle release, there's a plastic tab that holds the machine up, like in an upright position. And when you release it with this, and then it comes down. Right, now take a look. This plastic tab broke right here, okay? So the only way to fix this thing is if you purchase a whole new body, all right? Or you could try my hack, okay? Now, there's not much to explain here, not much to show you, but I'll explain what I did. Now, it's a little bit, it's a little MacGyverish, right? But it'll do the job for you, okay? Trust me. So the object is to keep this in an upright position. And then when you're ready, you're able to kind of lift it up. So what I did is I had one of these here. It is something I found around the house. I think it had to do with, I think it was like a phone type of stand, you know, so you can film yourself and stuff. But it allowed me this kind of, it allowed this kind of swivel here. See this? So now, it stands up. And what's great is that you can use your foot to just push it up, because without it, it's gonna fall. You can shampoo the carpet and then kick it back down, and you have yourself a stand. So give it a try, okay? You don't have to toss it out. Just create some kind of a stand. Now what I did is I just drilled a hole here. Now this is a two-part setup here. I have a setup here and a setup here. And really what I did is I just drilled a hole back here. Let me show you. Let me show you how back here can be removed. Take a look. See these here? This tab just clips right back out. This is just a cover, see? All right? Here it is. But take a look at what I did, all right? So I just drilled a hole here and a hole on this side that allowed me to connect the two braces here. And then when you're done, you just snap this back in to hold your tubing in place. Okay, there you go. All right, that's that. And let's put this back here. Okay, but really what it is, if you notice, it's out of the way because this is it's not extending any further than this. It's right here out the way. And you can just use your foot and pop it down just like that. And there you go. And it'll hold it. And if you just need to tap it or whatever, or just you could probably just do it all the way like that. See that? It holds. And you could probably find something stronger, guys. Anyway, that's that. Enough about that. So I hope you like this little hack. Just give it a try, because I've seen so many people throw these machines out because that one thing, and they're frustrated because it keeps falling down, breaking furniture and stuff like that. So just try something like this and see if it works for you. Okay, until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, bye.